Hello YouTube, this is the drummer, and today is Sunday. Well, today's Monday, and I'm Matt. This is a remake of Sunday's video. So, today, I'm apologizing and remaking it because you couldn't hear one word I was saying because I didn't have the volume on my mic on. So, I'm sorry for that. But, today, I'm gonna teach you again what I did yesterday. Okay, so you got that? Okay, and what I did yesterday was how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Yes, a plain old-fashioned Rubik's Cube. So the first step, step one, is to shuffle it up. Make sure it's perfectly mixed and matched, because you don't want to do anything, and then in two solves, it's complete. But that's what I'm going to teach you today, how to solve the Rubik's Cube in three solves, three things. And that should be good. And then you want to take the Rubik side facing you, so the yellow side shouldn't be facing you. And the third and final step, the most easy step and most difficult step at all. You want to know this really good, okay? You have to watch this like that is how you solve the Rubik's Cube. You don't. Comment, like, and subscribe.